Hiya folks, AJ the bartender here, and this week I'm going to show you how to make a Kamikaze shot. Kamikaze shots are perfect free shots for birthdays, or you like a customer, they come in. It's real simple, it doesn't take a lot of ingredients, it's not going to chip away at your bottle costs very much. It's just a nice, it's a nice gesture. You can make a bunch of them real easy. I had this customer, it was his birthday, and I made 3 shots for his table. And I'm gonna show you how to make those 3 shots. And after I made those 3 shots, he came in pretty much all the time. Big tip, nice guy. And he spent his birthday at my bar. So I was really thankful, and I made him a Kamikaze shot. Now, Kamikaze shot, how I remember how to make it is a Kamikaze is gonna be your very last trip. Vodka, lime juice, and triple sec. So that's how you're gonna remember it. Very last trip. I guess I could do this because we're doing like the words on the screen, but I'm not talented, I'm not there yet. Very last trip. Vodka, lime juice, triple sec. It's your very last trip. All right, so let's move on. We're gonna do a ½ ounce of each of these 3 ingredients. Now, we got 4 glasses here, so let's do some math. That's 2 ounces of each ingredient, right? So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold off on the variations here, because I'm gonna show you 3 different ones. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add 2 ounces of vodka, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 8 count, that is 2 ounces, give or take. And we're gonna do 2 ounces of sweetened lime juice. Or you can get your own limes, fresh limes. This is what I have, so this is what we're using. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, so now we have that. I'm just gonna shake that up. Now, here's where it gets interesting. This is a new shaker, still working out the kinks. I'm gonna pour equal amounts across the board on these shots. I'm gonna carry over. There we are. How's that look? That look even? By the way, these duck shots got some white ducks and some black ducks. They were bought in an estate sale. They're a nice gift. Estate sales are fun places to go hunt for bar treasures. So, Kamikaze shot. We're gonna make our first one a Kamikaze. I'm just going to add ½ ounce of triple sec for that one. Now, the next shot is gonna be called a Vulcan Mind Meld. How do I make a Vulcan Mind Meld? Well, I don't use this. I use Midori. Vulcan Mind Meld. Okay? Now, this one is called a Smurf. And it's just ½ ounce of blue curacao. So, we got one more. I'm gonna make it red. You can use cherry brandy. I'm just gonna use a drop of grenadine. That one doesn't have a name, so I'm gonna call it the Bloody Kamikaze. It was a real bloodbath. Hey, we just made 4 shots. Now, people are gonna be fighting over these. Oh my God, I want the green one. No, I want the blue one. It's my favorite color. It's my birthday, I should get what I want. Shut up, you're always telling me what to do. They're gonna love these shots. It's a great way to just simply impress. And we have a red one, a blue one, a green one, and a clear one. So once again, we have our Kamikaze, our Vulcan Mind Meld, our Smurf, and our Bloody Kamikaze, I guess we're calling it. We'll call it whatever we want. We'll call it, what's red? We'll call it a cherry Kamikaze. Call it whatever the hell you want. They're pretty, they go down smooth, they're delicious, and I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Nothing's free in this world. Cheers.